Welcome back. Janata Party Chief Subramaniam Swamy has charged the former Union Finance Minister and present Union Home Minister P. Chidambaram of his alleged involvement in a 1,600 crore mining scandal in Goa. He alleged that Chidambaram had manipulated the duty of import and export of ore in Goa during his tenure from 2004 to 2007.
Janata Party Chief Subramanian Swamy addressed a press conference in Panji on Thursday. Swamy claimed that politicians from centre, including P. Chidambaram, are involved in mining scam. He said that he will file a case against Chidambaram once he finishes with his famous 2G spectrum case.
Well, I think when he was finance minister, he played with the import and export duties, export subsidies on iron ore and into Goa. And this is, at the moment I can tell you only this much. Huge gains were made by companies like Vedanta and other mining companies. This was the year when he was finance minister, which means 2004 to 2007.
He said that his party is working on the powers with Anna Hazare and Baba Ramdev. Janata Party is ready to offer their support to Anna.
We would support Anna DMK, Anna Hazare if Anna Hazare wanted our help, but he is focused only on this one bill. We are working very closely with Baba Ramdev, who is doing a commendable job of mobilizing the public by moving around the country and padyatras and other ways addressing meetings.
Swamy said that party has agreed in principle to join the BJP-led NDA.
The NDA, 1998, I was a founding member of the NDA, and then due to certain reasons I separated from it. But now there has been discussion that I should rejoin the NDA, and I have agreed in principle, but the final decision has not been announced. So I can say I am engaged to be married, but the Saptapadi has not taken place yet.
During his 2-day visit to Goa, Subramanian Swamy will attend various functions in the state. Our reporter in Panji, Basuri Desai, with video journalist Sarvesh Reuskar.
It's Christmas time and the state is already in Christmas mood. Christmas Fiesta 2011 was held in Panji on Thursday. It was organized by the Diocesan Society of Education in collaboration with the government's Department of Art and Culture.
The function was organized by Arts and Culture Department and Diocesan Society of Education. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, Father Zeferino D'Souza, school students and others were present at the function. Performance by hearing impaired students was the main attraction of the Fiesta 2011.
सारी दुनिया में एक ही सुबह है सेñorita.
Shows up with a hammer, a chisel and a saw. Mary was a maid in a simple British maiden. So when they asked for shelter, this is what they were told. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way.
A video journalist, Omkar Farari.
Former Kortali MLA Mathani Saldana along with Sankwal villagers has exposed huge deforestation in the area. Sankwal comes under PDA. Mathani has blamed the local MLA, state government and PDA officials for allowing illegal activities in the area.
Massive deforestation at Sankwal has been exposed. Former Kortali MLA Mathani Saldana, Sankwal Panch, Tulsidas Naik and other residents of Sankwal have together exposed it. Mathani claims that area of around 1 lakh square meters has been deforested.
फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट एक झाड काडपा लोकांक परमिशन काडपा जाय, अफिदावीत करपा जाय, पयशे खारी करपा जाय. ही फॉरेस्ट कातरपांत कोणाय परमिशन घेयली तें हांव जाणा. आनी ही फॉरेस्ट काट करपाकूय PDA ऑथॉरिटी आहा. आमदार जो म्हणटा आय एम प्रोटेक्टिंग गोवा, प्रोटेक्टिंग फॉरेस्ट, प्रोटेक्टिंग एनवायरमेंट हो पितोयला पयशे करपा भायर सरला. हे सरकारा दवरप म्हणजे एक चुकी गोश्ट जातली गोंयकारांक.
Panch of Sankwal Panchayat, Tulsidas Naik says no permission has been granted by the Panchayat. He has alleged involvement of local MLA Movin Gudino in this illegal act.
55th meeting of PDA आमचे वन ऑफ द मेंबर जो MLA आसा तेणें PDA मिटिंगेन हो झोनच चेंज करून उडयलो म्हणून आयकलां हांवें. सेंट्रल कमर्शलायज म्हणल्यार C1 झोन केला. आतां C1 झोन करतलो जाल्यार ताका रस्तो आसपा जाय, लायट आसपा जाय, उदक आसपा जाय, टोटल इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आसपा जाय. पूण हांगा एकूय घर ना, हो जागो फक्त जनवरांचो. आतां हे सगळें डिफॉरेस्ट्रेशन करून कितें जालां, जनवरां सगळें आमचे गांवांत पावल्या सकयल.
Locals say this illegal act went unnoticed for almost 2 weeks as the area was isolated.
बिट्स पिलांनी आहा तेज मुखार जुवारी आनी भितर सरपा रेस्ट्रिक्शन तुमी पळयला गेट आहा ती त्या वाटेन कोणय जाल्यार ब्लॉक करतले. सो ह्या वाटेन रस्तो म्हणटा लोकां बाबडे खबर देखूंक ना. सो एक्सेस इज डिफिकल्ट.
A reporter from Sankhwar, Surendra Madkekar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.